Hey guys, it's Sarah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some fluffy slime. Let's get started. You will need a mixing bowl, a spoon or something to mix with, shaving cream, a kind of PVA glue. It can be any kind, but I'm going to use Elmer's, baking soda, and contact solution. So the first step is to pour as much glue as you want into your bowl. So the next step is to add twice as much shaving cream as you added glue into your bowl. So now you're going to mix it all together until it's well combined. Once it's all mixed together, you can add food coloring or paint if you want to, but I want to make white fluffy slime, so I'm going to move on to the next step. The next step is to add a pinch of baking soda. Then mix it all together. Then you want to add a little bit of contact solution at a time until it starts to pull off the sides of the bowl. Once it starts to pull off the sides of the bowl, you want to knead it with your hands and add more contact solution if you really need to. So guys, here's how my slime turned out. If it is too thick, you can add lotion, but I think mine is perfect. So here's how mine turned out, and I really like how fluffy it is. It feels like a cloud. So thanks for watching. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.